Good morning, teacher. Today I am going to share my questions about what happened in 11 of September of the year 2001. The reason why I am doing this video alone is because my free time was different to my partners and were too difficult to have a meet where we could be in the same time. Okay. The first question: have Americans overcome the 9/11 events? Okay, what I listened in the video was that the signs that they everyone have or change the mindset, the way to live. Anyone wants to record, remember what happened that day. Uh, no, everyone wants to change the real reality, just becoming with another life, creating peace in the country, things like that. Second question: are Americans still concerned about terrorist threats? Of course. They have different types of buildings, secure, with different constructions. But the biggest change have been the mindset have changed that since that day, because they always are prepared to receive a war or something that will happen, because the past hasn't forget until now. And it's just that. Your question: how have Muslims and Americans' lives changed after the 9/11 events? A Some of percentage have emigrated to other countries, other places, because the fear, what they are feeling or they were feeling were terrible, and they decide to immigrate to another place, to other places. Other people are always prepared to receive the word. Other people are avoidant, the word, doing the peace, acting with love, but everyone, the unique what one the unique what they want is to improve and to have a better country, creating a better economy, and doing what they can't do better. The other question is: what is the American government doing to reduce the trade feeling of the community? At the beginning of that problem, when that happened, the government identified what happened with people who suffer that, and the government attends with support, with psychology supporting. United States create a society where there are many countries doing the peace, doing or creating a better society where the world is not. Okay, creating a safer community without war. That is what happened. And thank you for that, teacher. There are not more questions. Goodbye. Good day. Nice day.